Hey, what's up, folks? It's Mike here from Nutter Gold, and I want to do a comparison for you all between a $25 twist comb and a $4 twist comb to see which one's better for your buck, which one does a better job, and which one just leaves you feeling and looking like $1,000,000. So, if you're interested in that, do me a solid favor. Watch this intro, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, just all those things, and then we can really get into a fun, enjoyable party when it comes down to who twists your hair better. So, let's do that. Transition. All right, so we got both of them here. This is, we got some of my hair right here. So what I want to do with this test is I'm going to take a look at each one of these for you all. So this here is a twisted up comb, and then this is the Afro twist comb with fast action twist comb. So this thing was $3.99, and then the twisted up comb, if I'm not mistaken, is like $25. So take a look at the construction. Let's see how it holds up. Yada yada yada. This one also says it has all rights reserved for a patented design. Not sure about that, but we'll see. This is made in the People's Republic of China. Okay. So first things first, as you can see here, this one is. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of weird with this. It's like a double branding thing going on. You see that? Actually got printed accidentally. Yeah, it's supposed to be once, but it got printed accidentally twice. But yeah, all right. So this one's plastic, and then this one is metal, right here with a plastic body. And this one also comes with a pick comb, which I can definitely see being super useful. They're about the same size. Yeah, well. The exact same size, so that's pretty convenient. But we'll definitely take a look at this one real quick so we can see, so I can show you all some of the imperfections I'm seeing off the top. Here obviously is one. This is clearly just a little bit of the plastic because it's impressed in a plastic mold. So there's that one, and then also the teeth right here. I don't know if y'all can see that very clearly, but there's a lot of leftover material. That usually happens when you're using a plastic mold, especially when they're bulk producing or mass producing things like this. Let's see, anything else here? Gonna catch my attention. No, not really. So this one here, obviously, it's all flat. It's just super flat. So there's no pattern here. The twisted up comb, the original actually has like a, I don't know, let's see if you all can see that. It's like an interwoven kind of pattern. You see what I mean right there? It's like interwoven. That allows for a pretty nice grip on the hair. I've used this before a few times. I've never used this AB Beauty comb, but I'm definitely, I want to see if the original version is better than the knockoff, copyrighted infringement version that they have here. And I definitely think it should definitely should be looked at closely when it comes to profile and size. That's what you're looking at right there. So obviously twisted up is a lot thicker than this one, but that also gives you a lot more durability and whatnot when it comes to working with it. This one obviously is just plastic, so it could snap pretty easily. I don't know, and I probably won't do a strength test because I don't want to break my twisted up comb in the process. So let's go over and switch over to the shower. Well, not the shower, but to the bathroom. I'm gonna do, some twisting, one side on the other. We're gonna see if both of these are comparable. We'll see if this one can compare to this one or which one's better. So let's make that happen. All right, so this thing says, step one, before using, make sure your hair is completely dry, 100% dry as it gets. And then apply some gel if you want, yada yada. Hold the comb end of the tool and rub the hollow squares in a circular motion against your head. Motion must be in one direction so the twists do not untangle. Be careful, don't put too much pressure on your comb, and then continue to twist your hair for the desired effect. All right, so I'm gonna split my hair in half. All right, so I'm gonna do this side with one and the other side with the other. That way, you can see. All right. So the AB or the Anna Beauty comb is the first one to do. My motions this way, yeah, this way. Like it's starting to curl up, but it's not really, I don't know, it doesn't look super attractive. Also, I'm not really a big fan of, it feels weird. And I say that because maybe it's the plastic or whatever, but it's kind of causing my hair on my scalp to tingle a little bit. So I'm not sure what that is, but we'll see. All right, so this is my motion here. No crap, it's here. I need to go backwards. All right, so now I'm gonna try to twist it up on this side here, going backwards. I can definitely feel, like I can feel it digging in a little bit better, but we'll see. Actually, I can just do both of them at the same time. Whoa. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to pick out later. All right. Probably did too much. Probably did way too much with that one. But let's see. All right, so they both have curls going on here. Oh, my shoulders. All right, so me personally, looking at it, I don't know if y'all can see it, but this side seems a lot flatter than this side does. And I can only say, I think that's the case because of the profile of these two. Actually, I'm gonna show you on the bigger camera. Okay, so, I'm still a little bit tired from all the exercise I just did. But this is the AB and this is the twisted up comb. So I use the AB on this side and the twisted up on this side. I don't know if you all can see it, so I can zoom in a little bit better for you all. But I feel like when I was looking in the mirror, this side was a lot flatter than this side was. Like, it feels the hair was just flatter. And I can only say I think that comes from the profile. So you see this one's this one's just flat and this one has a little bit more depth to it. So where, how do I put it? So as I'm twisting, as I'm twisting with this one, it's not sitting against, like my whole hand isn't sitting here pressing down on it. It's more like elevated, if that makes sense. Also, the grooves that are in between, like the interwoven pattern of this one, I feel like gives it a little bit more body than this one does because it's just flat, so it doesn't really do too much of the body kind of feel. And then just filling them now, like I said, so this one feels a lot flatter than this one, but can you all see that though? Does it look flat to you all? Let me know in the comments below if you can see the actual difference I'm trying to, because I can feel it. And then this, because this one, like this twist right here just feels thicker than like these twists over here. Like it just was able to grab more to make for a better twist. But they both did a twisting job. So, I mean, would I be able to tell if someone used this $4 one versus the $25 one? I don't know, probably not, but as like a barber, I'm sure you could tell. Or if you were really into like the hairstyle, you can tell what someone used. And the top, it was hard for me to do the top without really crossing over. I can't really, I don't think I could tell too much of a difference on the tops. I feel like they both kind of crossed over, intermingled there. But yeah, I'm not really feeling too much of a difference here. Let me see if I can get you all back. I don't know. So, yeah, let me know in the comments below if you could actually see that difference, because I'm not sure if it translated well in camera. But what I can say, between these two, they both did their job. I think they both did their desired purpose, their desired position. But me personally, I'm not a big fan of plastic. You all know this. We've talked about this before. So as I was using this stuff, I'm sure this is building up a lot of static electricity in my hair, which definitely is going to result in a lot of split ends and breakage in the future. So if this side of my head looks bald, you know, coming up, that's why. You know why. I like the metal on this one. It didn't do too much grabbing. You know, it's very well done. So I like that a lot. The comb side of this one obviously is useful. This one does not have a comb side, but this one does, which is useful. But again, plastic, so we know what's going to happen to my beard. Split ends galore. And also, you know, it's just a little jagged, so I can feel it scratching my skin. So I'm probably going to have a couple of bumps under there just from like blood clots. But ouch. But yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. What do you all think? Which one do you think did a better job? Which one do you think you would rather invest your money in? $4 or $25? The original or the knockoff? Which one do you think serves the purpose better for you? So let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna link the Twisted Up below, and if I can find this AB on the website, I think they have a website, I'll link that one below as well. You all can do a price, you know, comparison and stuff like that. But again, this one is made of really dense plastic and metal, and this one is just plastic. So it's definitely a little bit more flexible, so they probably fit in your pocket a little more. This reminds me a lot of like a fly swatter, and this one's more of a tennis racket. But yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Do me a solid favor, like this video. I would definitely appreciate it. And if you can, just drop a comment and let me know what you think about it, if you enjoyed this content or not, and I'll get more out to you. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you the next video, right? Sweet.